Hello and welcome back to Adventure Girl. This is our 1977 Fiberform boat that we picked up in September. We purchased it from an older couple from Washington State who had moved to the Midwest, and we got a really good deal on it. They put a lot of work into the boat and remodeling. It's got solar panels on the roof. The interior has been remodeled. And we are planning on taking a boating trip down to Florida real soon. We were going to be leaving actually this morning, but my husband decided to do a few more projects on the engine and just making sure everything is good to go, and so we are delayed a few days. But this is our boat that we will be taking on our grand adventure, so stay tuned. We hope to document our trip and it'll be fun. Take care and have a good day.
We are on our way at last, Florida bound.
After a good night's sleep in Eddyville, Kentucky, we are on our way. We should be going through Nashville, Tennessee in about an hour and a half. We have a beautiful sunrise and sky this morning. Quite a few clouds, but I think we are ahead of the rain that's to the west of us, so doing good this morning. Close to downtown Nashville. We are coming into Nashville, Tennessee. You can see what we like to call the Batman building and the Titan NFL football stadium. Nissan Titan Stadium is coming up. Starting our climb up to Mount Eagle at the top of the mountain. It is our largest hill mountain to climb on this journey on our route. Once we get up to the top, we will descend down and then soon be into Chattanooga, Tennessee. Beautiful fall colors here. A lot of the trees still have their leaves, and a lot of them are still green and turning colors as well. So, beautiful morning for a drive. just entering the outskirts of Chattanooga. Historic site, Chattanooga Choo Choo, next right. And over here we have, I'm not sure if this is still considered part of Nickajack Lake, probably maybe the Tennessee River. I'll have to go back and look that up, but we are just getting into Chattanooga. There's a sign here for the Tennessee Aquarium and the International Towing and Recovery Museum. Over here we have the water that we're right beside. Chattanooga is a pretty town with the hills all around it. Okay, sorry about that. One year we went up to the Lookout Mountain, which overlooks Chattanooga, and we did the Rock City and Civil War battlefield area that was a historical site. Very, very informative. We enjoyed that. And you have a great overlook of the city. Hi, we made it to Buc-ee's. Relatively quiet spot here in the store. We like to stop every time we come through. We've done a lot of trips to Florida, and this is always a fun stop, Buc-ee's.
We're only paying $3.50 a gallon for 93 octane ethanol free at Buc-ee's. And that's a good thing because it's got a 50-gallon tank.
We are on I-285 going around Atlanta, Georgia, going under the runways. We are in Jacksonville, Florida. Heading south on I-95. It's about 9 o'clock on a Saturday night.
For about 127 miles, continue straight.
We made it to the marina. We are launching our boat here at the park next to the marina, and then we will be putting the boat in our slip. Yay! Thank you for watching, and God bless and have a great day.